Another no crank, no start. Dash lights are very dim. This isn't supposed to come off as easy. And what is that? New alternator, new belt, new starter, and a fresh battery. But the battery is showing 4 volts. That's very low. Notice the battery sensor and look closer, and the wires were torn. Went ahead and ordered a new one. That's better. Got the battery charged at advance, but the voltage dropped significantly, so we have an alternator issue. Went ahead and removed that, and for some reason, the Honda does not like this aftermarket. It prefers the OEM, so we got that. Out with the old, in with the old. Let's get the battery hooked up and make sure everything's charging nicely. Battery voltage is staying over 14, which is great. So I'm actually going to, because the issue will happen when you let the car sit, and so we're going to let the car sit about 10-15 minutes and then try to start it again. And we're also going to check the battery voltage before we start to see if the alternator did charge the battery. So while it's off, it should be around the 12 volts. Ideally 12.7. We want it to be within that range, that 12.5, 12.7. All right, now let's see where we're at. We're at 12.5. This car's been sitting for approximately 15 minutes. That's actually great. Now, so the check charge system, or check charging system, the light went off. Car is doing actually really good. Test drive was good. Problem fixed.